Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another weekly check-in. Now this is our fourth weekly check-in and it will run through the 18th all the way through the 24th. Now I am super proud to announce that I did so good this week. This is probably like my best week ever since I've started coming back on YouTube. But I'm not going to drag this on. We are just going to get straight into it. So on the 18th, I had a no spin day. Super excited. I have been working day shift this week and it has been crazy. I haven't been able to go to the store or anything, but you know, that is totally fine with me. Now on the 19th, I did get gas. So I'm going to write gas and $15. Now, the strip stickers that I am using is from Simply Cami, and her Etsy shop is amazing. Her YouTube is amazing. She is an awesome friend and helper, and she's just awesome. Go check her out. Also on the 19th, I ordered some baby blue paper off of Amazon. Yes, Amazon, I believe. And that's coming out of Fun Money. So I'm just going to write paper, and that's going to be $6. All right. And then that is it for the 19th. Now the 20th, I had a no spin again. I think I worked late night on this week. So I was just mostly sleeping all day. So that is freaking awesome. All right, and then on the 21st, I was off, so we spent a good bit of money also. So that was $10 in gas that I spent on the 21st. I'm going to zoom y'all in a little bit. All right. So gas, $10. I hope y'all are having a wonderful week. I'm so excited to... When you are watching this, I will be officially on vacation or about to be on vacation to go to Disney. And we leave Monday morning and I'm so excited. Walmart, we did go grocery shopping. And that is $42. $42. And I am all out of that. Good thing I ordered some more last week. Or a couple of weeks ago I did. So that was $42. And then we have tax-free weekend. Let me know down below what state y'all live in and if y'all have tax-free weekend. Apparently Georgia doesn't have it because a girl that I talked to on this YouTube and on Instagram, they don't have a tax-free weekend in Georgia. I know in Alabama and in Florida they have tax-free weekend for like school supplies and stuff. But while we were at Walmart for tax-free weekend, I got my favorite pens. This is the Z Grip pen, and they were like, how much were they? $4. And that was no taxes or anything like that. So I had to get that. So I'm going to write pens. That was $4. That was for Fun Money. All right. And then cushion. Two things that I use my cushion for. One, I used it for uniforms because it was tax-free weekend and they tax-free the uniforms for work. So that was actually $39 off of the Cherokee website, and I just got it shipped to my local shop where it would be tax-free, and then I got a discount for working for the hospital. So that was actually $39. So I'm going to add $39 plus I got a new kit for my August from Simply Cami off of Etsy, and that was actually $14, I believe. I want to say it was $14. No, $29. I already wrote $29. It was $14. Or maybe $17. I really can't remember. But it was like $17, so let's just add that. Plus 17 equals $56. So I'm actually going to use my cushion money and my sticker, which is this blue one. And I'm going to write Etsy/uniform. And that was $56. Okay. All right, on the 22nd, I had another no spend. The 22nd, 23rd, and the 24th. I had a no spend day because I was working 7 to 5:30 every single day. And I have not been to the store. So that is freaking awesome, you guys. So I'm going to zoom y'all out and show y'all my plan for what I spent this week. All right, you see, I'm going to zoom out just a little bit more if I can. All right, on the 18th, no spend. 19th I spent it on gas and fun money. 20th, no spend. And then Sunday was my busier week where I bought a couple of things. And then 22nd, 23rd, and 24th, I had a no spend day. I am so excited. This is literally the best week that I've had so far. And I'm pretty sure y'all can agree with me if y'all go and check out my other check-ins. But we are going to flip to the check-ins right now. Now, I'm going to write down the totals real quick of my balances from last time, just so I don't have to flip back and forth. So, groceries was $61. Gas was $45. Fun money was $10. $6.22. And then cushion was $78. Alright, so we are going to flip this. Alright, so for groceries, we spent $42 and I had $61 left. So 61 minus 42 equals $19. So $42 equals $19 left. Gas, we spent $15 and $10. 15 plus 10 equals to $25 spent. And then we had $45 left, which should have only $20. And we will actually go into my cash envelopes and just make sure that I have that much money left over. Now for fun money, we spent $6 and $4. So we had $10 left. So we have $0. Out to eat, we did not eat anywhere this last 2 weeks, and like that was just a game changer. I'm not even sure if, well, definitely we will be going out to eat for Disney, but maybe I can try to keep up with not going out to eat. Maybe I can do it for a whole month, but we will see. I have seen a lot of people on Facebook that has this group that does like a no out to eat for a month and everything, and they have been rocking it. So I need to do that. $6 Sinking funds, I spent $0, ending it in $622. And then cushions, I used the uniform, which was $39. And then I had the August kit from Simply Cami, which was $17, equals $56 that I spent. And I had $78 left, so 78 minus 56 equals $22. Now the $22 is definitely probably going to go towards Disney. So you will probably not see that money get taken out of my debit card. I'll probably just leave that just in case I need it. But let's move on to my envelope. Now I'm going to zoom y'all out. Move this out the way. All right, so for groceries, we are looking for $19 left in my fund. So that is 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So I have $19 to last me until Friday, until I get paid. All right, and then gas, we're looking for $20, which $20 right here, so that is good. Sinking funds, I'm not going to go and look, but I should have $622, and if I go and look, that would take another probably 15 minutes for me to count every single envelope. And then cushion, it's $56. I could look at my bank statement, but I'm on my phone. My laptop is dead and I'm charging it right now, but I know for sure it is $22 because I did look at it earlier in the day. So yeah, that is everything, you guys. This is my cash envelope, how much I have spent, my weekly check-in. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know down below if you do these videos also. I am more than welcome to go and check your videos out, even subscribe to your channel. I love to support everybody, and make sure you hit the subscribe button down below also so you won't be missing any check-ins. And also sinking fund and my stuffing my next cash envelope is coming up. I am leaving for Disney on Monday, so I will be vlogging at Disney. I will be pumping out all of these videos, my recap of July, my recap of my July goals. So stay tuned. It's going to be a fun end of the week and next week. And I will see you guys later, and y'all have a good weekend. Bye.